Hello students, I am Pramod Jadhav. Welcome to the online classes. Today I will teach you for class 10th English chapter number 2 from the book Footprints Without Feet. Here chapter number 2 is The Thief's Story, written by Ruskin Bond. The title itself tells us about the story, about the theme. So, here the thief story, the story of thief, r- given by Ruskin Bond. So, I will discuss with you the whole lesson. Students, I will read the lesson, I will explain the lesson. Let's study the lesson. I was still a thief when I met Anil, and though only 15, I was an experienced and fairly successful hand. Now, here, I, the lesson starts with the I, the story starts with the I. So, here, I is the narrator, and narrator is the thief himself. So the thief is telling us he was still a thief when he met Anil. And though he was only 15, means his age was 15 years, he was 15 years old. Further, he says that I was an experienced and fairly successful hand. Means, at the age of 15, he was having good experience of his profession of stealing the things. And he is also adding that fairly successful hand. It means to be the master of particular action. So he was master of stealing. So his stealing was very successful hand. Now let's see further what he says. Anil was watching a wrestling match when I approached him. He was about 25, a tall, lean fellow, and he looked easygoing, kind, and simple enough for my purpose. So he says Anil was watching a wrestling match. It means Anil was fond of wrestling match when he met to Anil. He was about 25. Now he is giving his description here. So Anil was about 25. Very young man. A tall, lean fellow. Lean means thin, not a fat. And he looked easygoing. Easygoing means very simple person. Kind and simple enough for my purpose. Means what was the purpose of the thief? Thief's purpose was to steal the money from him. Now further, you see, I hadn't had much luck of late and thought I might be able to get into the young man's confidence. Now here again the thief says, I hadn't had much luck of late. Late here previously means previously he was not having good luck in his business. What was his business? To steal the money. And thought I might be able to get into the young man's confidence. And he was having a thought that he can get into the young man's confidence. He can easily take the person, take Anil in his confidence. Then, you look a bit of a wrestler yourself, I said. Now, the thief is telling to Anil that you look a bit of wrestler yourself. See now. Here, even though Anil was thin, he was easygoing, so he thought that let me do some flattery. So further he also says, a little flattery helps in making friends. So students, every person is very fond of his own flattery. What is the flattery? Excessive and insincere praise. So if somebody tells good thing about you, or if somebody tells something nicely, gives nice explanation about you, so it's natural thing that somebody likes it. So here he says that what he says? He says, you look a bit of a wrestler yourself. Means you are looking like a wrestler. Now see further what says. So do you? He replied, which put me off for a moment because at that time I was rather thin. So what happened when he said like that, you are looking a bit of a wrestler? So Anil replied, so do you? And he said, you also? Which put me off. Now here put me off to offend. मीन्स यहाँ पर उसको ऐसा लगा कि दिस इज ऑफेंड फॉर हिम एंड इट इज फॉर अ मोमेंट, फॉर अ वेरी शॉर्ट टाइम, because at that time I was rather thin, and because at that time the thief was very thin, and that's why he thought he was offended. Well, I said modestly, I do wrestle a bit. Now, the thief said modestly. Modestly means here in a humble manner. So he said, okay, I do wrestle a bit. Sometimes I do wrestle. So he gave such a answer. What's your name? Now, who said this? Who asked a question? Here, Anil asked this question to the thief. Now, what is thief's reply? Hari Singh. I lied. And here, he gave his fake name. He spoke lie. I took a new name every month. Now, what here thief is telling? Every month he is taking a new name that kept me ahead of the police and my former employers. Now, here, ahead of means away. So, why he is always changing his name? Because there, here he is giving a reason which kept him away of the police and former employers, means wherever he was working. So he was kept away from them because of his fake name. After this introduction, Anil talked about the well oiled wrestlers who were grunting, lifting, and throwing each other about. I didn't have much to say. Anil walked away. I followed casually. Now, here, after both's introduction finished, Anil talked about the well oiled wrestlers. Now, well oiled means here, uh, especially wrestlers, they are keeping their body very fit and fine, and usually they are applying oil for their body. When they are applying oil on their body, so it must be very fit and fine. And even when the wrestling match is there, so the opponent cannot catch the wrestler. That's why they are using well oiled, means oil using on their body. So well oiled means to apply oil on the body. Grunting, who were grunting. Now grunting means making sound, lifting and throwing each other about, and they were lifting and throwing each other about. I didn't have much to say. And now thief was telling lie, and that's why he was not having any stuff to say anything. So that's why he preferred to keep silence. Anil walked away, and then Anil walked away from that particular place. And even the thief also followed Anil. Now let's see further what is there. Hello again, he said. I gave him my most appealing smile. I want to work for you, I said, but I can't pay you. And then, when he was following Anil, at that time, Anil said, hello. And then he gave, who gave? The thief gave him, whom? The, whom? To the Anil, his most appealing smile. I want to work for you, I said, but I can't pay you. Now, here Anil is there. So, Hari Singh, the thief, said him that he wanted to work for him. But what Anil said? Anil said, but I can't pay you. He said, okay. Anil said, okay, but I can't pay you. Now see further. I thought that over for a minute. Perhaps I had misjudged my man. And then the thief thought over for a minute. Here, thought over means to consider over it. So, whatever the reply got from the Anil. So, here the thief thought over that for a minute. And perhaps I had misjudged my man. And now he was feeling that he might have misjudged the person. What is the misjudged? To form a wrong opinion about something. So here he thought that he might have formed a wrong opinion about whom? Anil. So now see. I asked, can you feed me? Can you cook? I can cook. I lied again. Now see. Again I asked, okay, no problem if you will not pay me money. Can you feed me? So Anil asked, can you cook? And then the thief replied that he can. Again, the thief is telling us he spoke lie. If you can cook, then maybe I can feed you. And now here Anil said, if you can cook, if thief can cook, then maybe he can feed him. Feed means to give the food for eating. Now see here, he took me to his room over the Jamna sweet shop and told me I could sleep on the balcony. Now here he agreed with him, with the thief, and then he took him on his room. Where was it? It was on the Jamna sweet shop. Means it might be two-storied. It might have ground floor and first floor. And told me I could sleep. And where he had given him the place? He had given him the place in the balcony. Now what is balcony? Balcony is outer space of first floor or any another floor which especially front part of the house here. Okay. Now see, let's see further what happens. But the meal I cooked that night must have been terrible because Anil gave it to a stray dog and told me to be off. Now see. And that night the thief made food. The thief cooked for the both person. But it was very terrible. How was it? It was not a good. It was not eatable. And that's why Anil gave that food to the dogs and told me to be off. And what Anil said? Anil said, go away from here. You don't know how to cook. So now, again, there is a question in the mind of the thief, where to go, what to do. Now see, but I just hung around smiling in my most appealing way and he couldn't help laughing. Now see, and but what he is saying, I just hung around means to stay near a place of a person and he didn't go. The thief didn't go even though Anil said him to go away from the place. Smiling in my most appealing way means most appealing here in attractive manner, and he just smiled in attractive manner and he couldn't help laughing. But Anil couldn't laugh along with the thief. Further, later he patted me on the head and said, never mind, he'd teach me to cook. And after some time, he patted. Who patted? Anil. Patted means here, patted me on means quick light touch. And because Anil was very kind person, and that's why he patted on his head and said, never mind, don't worry. And now Anil has decided to teach how to cook to the thief. Now thief was happy. After it, he also taught me to write my name and said he would soon teach me to write whole sentences and to add numbers. Now here again the thief is telling not only cooking but also to write his name and even to write whole sentences. So here Anil was very kind and he also taught him how to write the name, then how to write whole sentences. So through this we come to know that Anil was very kind person and the thief was illiterate boy. Okay. Now see again, I was grateful. Now what is the grateful? Now here thief is telling I was thankful. Grateful means thankful. I knew that once I could write like an educated man, there would be no limit to what I could achieve. And now here the thief realized that once he could write like educated man, he could learn the things, he could learn everything, then there will be no limit, means endless, whatever he wanted to achieve in his life, like money, like fame, name. So everything will be endless, there will be no limit. Now see, it was quite pleasant working for Anil. I made the tea in the morning and then would take my time buying the day's supplies, usually making a profit of about a rupee a day. Now see, here again, Anil kept the thief, and now thief was making tea every morning for the Anil, and it was quite pleasant. Pleasant means very good, very happy. For whom? For the thief. And now here, and then would take my time buying. So not he was not only making the tea in the morning. Now Anil was giving him money to buy the day's supplies. Means whatever the in the day vegetables and whatever the needed things are there for cooking. For that Anil was giving him money and he was going out and he was purchasing all the things. Now see, usually making a profit, and in that also the thief was very clever. He was making a profit of a rupee a day, means that 1 rupee he was keeping for himself. So he was not getting any salary, but even though he was having that habit to keep something secret, so he was keeping every day by making the profit 1 rupee away, which was not knowing about it by Anil. Anil was not having any idea about it.